Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ruchika and welcome to Creating Balance. We give a lot of emphasis to what we put on our faces. But what is equally important, if not more, is what we put inside our bodies. Diet does impact the quality of our skin. In this video, I will talk about 9 nutrients that will help to improve the quality of your skin when consumed as a part of daily diet. But before starting the video, I want to mention one thing, that our body functions as a single unit. So what is good for our skin is also good for our hair and for our heart and for the overall health of our body. So the nutrients that I am going to talk about in this video are not just good for our skin. Yes, they do have some added benefits towards the skin, but they are good for the overall health of our body. So there is no reason that you don't include them in your diet. So without further delay, let's dive into the video. While there are many approaches to healthy eating, certain nutrients are guaranteed to boost up your skin health. First such nutrient is vitamin C. Normally, skin contains very high concentration of vitamin C because vitamin C is very important for the production of collagen. Collagen is basically the support structure of the skin which prevents sagging of the skin. Vitamin C also protects our skin against sun damage. There are various sources of vitamin C, especially the citrus fruits like amla, lemons or oranges. The second important vitamin is vitamin A. Beta-carotene is the form of vitamin A which we usually get from the plant foods that we eat. Our body converts this beta-carotene into the retinol form of vitamin A. Vitamin A has a special role in regulating the turnover rate of our skin. Turnover rate is basically the rate of formation of new skin cells and shedding of old skin cells. So vitamin A is important for the rejuvenation of the skin. Vitamin A also protects our skin against sun damage. Dark orange and red vegetables like carrots are a good source of beta-carotene. Leafy green vegetables are also a very good source of vitamin A. The third important vitamin is vitamin E. Vitamin E is also known as beauty vitamin. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It protects our skin against sun damage. But with the continuous, constant exposure to sun and with aging, the levels of vitamin E decreases in our body. But we can maintain the adequate levels of vitamin E in our body by consuming the foods that are rich in vitamin E, like almonds or various other nuts. Also, sunflower seeds are a very good source of vitamin E. The fourth important nutrient is antioxidants. Antioxidants basically work by acting against free radicals. Free radicals are the chemicals which breaks down the collagen in the skin. This breaking down of collagen leads to the sagging of the skin and premature wrinkles on the skin. So antioxidants protects our skin against aging. Then antioxidants also protects our skin against sun damage. There are various sources of antioxidants, especially the vitamins that we have talked about earlier, that is vitamin C, vitamin A and vitamin E also act as antioxidants in our body. Then almost all the fruits have antioxidants in them. So make sure to consume at least 2 servings of fruits daily. The fifth important nutrient is zinc. Zinc has anti-inflammatory properties, so it helps to relieve the redness and irritation associated with acne. Our body absorbs zinc quite efficiently from the foods that we eat. The foods that are rich source of zinc are beans, dairy products, nuts, and whole grains. The sixth important nutrient is iron. Iron is the main component of our red blood cells. Our red blood cells need iron to carry oxygen to various organs of our body, including our skin. And good amount of iron is very important to give our skin a nice glow. The foods that are rich in iron are pomegranate, broccoli, spinach and pumpkin seeds. The seventh important nutrient is omega-3 fats. The foods rich in omega-3 fats helps to fight acne and also protects our skin against sun damage. They also guard our skin from being itchy and dry. Walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds and seafood are good sources of omega-3 fats. The eighth important nutrient is probiotics. Probiotics are not just good for our immunity, but they are also good for our skin. More and more studies these days are showing that they can improve the skin complexion. Then probiotics also appear to delay the wrinkles on the skin, and they also increase the hydration levels of the skin. Fermented foods are good sources of probiotics. At last, we cannot ignore the importance of hydration in order to get clear and glowing skin. So make sure to consume a lot of water-rich foods in your diet and also drink sufficient amount of water throughout the day. Now this video will be incomplete if I don't mention one thing that you need to avoid in order to get clear skin, and that is sugar, especially the processed sugar. Sugar influences our hormones and it also influences the inflammatory response of our body, and these two are the main causes of acne. So make sure to avoid sugar as much as possible. That's it for today. I hope you find the video useful. Thank you very much for watching the video.